What is science? Science is understanding and being curious about the physical and natural world all around us. We learn new things by observing, asking questions, and experimenting. This is called the scientific process, and we all use it every day, even without knowing it. Observation. Sometimes when we see things around us, like a honeybee flying through the air, we ask ourselves questions. Question. You might ask, how does the honeybee fly? Hypothesis. Maybe the honeybee is being held up by string, or maybe it's using a bee-sized jetpack or flying a tiny plane. Experiment. By taking some time to watch the bee fly around, we can see that none of these things are true. No string, no jetpack, no plane. First result. When the bee lands, we can see a set of wings on its back. New hypothesis. It probably uses those wings to fly around, much like other bugs and birds do. Teamwork. A friend sees you having fun looking at honeybees and joins in. Now there are two of you. You get to check even more bees than you would by yourself. New experiment. You look closer at the bees on the ground and in the air, and you notice that all the honeybees you see are using their wings to fly. Final result. The honeybee flies by moving all four of its wings back and forth really fast. Share the findings. By helping others to understand what we have learned, we can inspire them to think of their own questions to find answers to. Just like that, you have used the scientific process to learn something new about honeybees and the world. This is exactly what scientists do to find out more complicated things. It's why the Wright brothers studied birds to invent the aeroplane, transforming the way that people travel forever. It's how Marie Curie changed the medical world with her twice-winning Nobel Prize work on radiation. It's the process that scientists have used throughout history to create medicine, light bulbs, cars, planes, smartphones, television, space rockets, satellites, computers, and so much more. So the next time you're faced with a fascinating problem, remember to observe, ask a question, hypothesize, experiment, and share your results.